Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to Maths with Castin. Today let's have a look at Limpopo prelim exam on question 5. Let's have a look at what you guys wrote in Limpopo. Yeah, guys from Toyando, and then guys from Malamulele, Giyani, Makado, Musina, all those guys, and then Yapshini, Towela, guys from Genfest. Alright, so let's have a look at what you guys wrote. It was an exponent function given to us in terms of f of x is equals to 2 to the power of negative 2. So 5.1 says determine the equation of, you all know that this one refers to the inverse in the form of y. Alright, so I'm just gonna write it down here. Say 5.1. Remember, this is the function given to x. What does the rule say? The rule says swap x and y. So we swap x and y. Here we go. Therefore, we solve for y again. So now, with this, in order to bring down this y here, we need to log both sides. Log this side. And therefore, you can also log this side as well. 2 to the power of negative y. So therefore, once you've got this log here, it will stay like that. This y will drop from the exponent and then come and sits here. Then you're going to have log 2. So remember, now you are looking for y. So therefore, you'll divide by negative log 2. Divide by negative log 2. Log 2 would cancel out negative, and negative would cancel. You're left with y. It's equals to negative log x divided by log 2. Can you leave it like this? Yes, guys, you can leave it like this, or you can rewrite it in terms of having it a base is going to have negative log base 2 to the x. Right, great stuff. Okay, 5.2 said sketch the graph of f of x, which is this one here, and then also sketch the inverse, which is this one here, on the same set of axes. Name each graph accordingly. All right, so now let's come here. Now let's plot this. We're going to have our axis there. This is 5.2. All right, let's do our sketch. There it is there. Okay, not the best line in the world. I don't know if this thing can... Okay, no, it doesn't plot like that. Okay, here we go. Right, so this is our y-axis, and then this is our x-axis. Right, so now f of x, I'm going to draw f of x with a red. Okay, here we go. F of x, which is that one there, has got y-intercept of 1. Right, you can double check my math, guys. Y-intercept of 1 with a line of asymptotes being this one. There you go. There is our function there. Not the best function in the world, but you guys get the picture and you get the shape as well. Okay, right, there you go. Not easy to write with this thing here. This is the graph of f. Remember what they said, name each graph accordingly. So we need to follow that so that the examiner is able to see. Now I'm going to use the red one to draw the one of logarithm. The one of logarithm is going to touch here, and the one is just going to be here, and then this is our line of asymptotes there. Now this one is the f prime, which is our inverse. Great stuff. So now let's go on to 5.3. 5.3 says write down the domain of f of x. The domain of f of x, it's simply referring to the values of x. So as you can see, all the x values starting from here going there, they are included in this function. So x greater than 0. That should be our domain, and that's how you would have dealt with a question like this one, guys, if you were writing this paper and you were in Giyani or in Makado or in Polokwane or Kosesheho. So This is what basically you could have written. If you are from Limpopo, please let me know what you think of this question, if you got it right or not. Drop a comment, or if you're just practicing now, we are in 2026, you are practicing and then you are realizing this is what they wrote, maybe this question is a piece of cake to you. Drop a comment, let me know what you guys think here. If you're from Belabila, Mokopane, Mpumalanga, Wheatbank, Emalahleni, anywhere from that side. I know there's guys from Genfest that are near and closer to Limpopo as well. Please let me know what you think. I'll see you on the next one, where we're probably doing another question paper from another question 5 from KZN. Yeah, see you on the next one.